School Governance Council. As per DepEd Order 26 Series of 2022, it is aligned, is anchored to the Public Act number 9155, also known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001. Itong guidelines na ito ay naka-anchor doon sa shared governance. At the same time, how our leaders, the school, in collaboration with the community, the stakeholders, the LGU, the internal and external stakeholders, in terms of providing access to quality education, expediting services, improving the quality of services, and at the same time, providing quality learning outcomes. So the bottom line of this shared governance in line with the DepEd Order 26 is yung paano magkakaroon ng isang maganda, matatag, maayos na paaralan. Because we all know that DepEd, we cannot do it alone without the collaboration with our stakeholders. Even small schools, from small schools to mega schools, we really need our partners. And it's the very reason why this DepEd order was created. So let me introduce to you in a very short description what is School Governance Council. This policy aims to recognize and strengthen the role of school stakeholders alongside local government unit as partners in providing learners accessible and quality education, upholding rights of the children, and promoting respect and well-being of the learning environment to ensure effective delivery of instructions. The School Governance Council shall function structured for both shared governance and feedback mechanism. There are two principles involving the School Governance Council. First is the structure of shared governance. The second is the feedback mechanism. So we really need these two principles to effectively implement the DepEd Order 26 Series of 2022. As I have mentioned, it is anchored to the Public Act number 9155, emphasizing that every unit in the department or in the bureaucracy, the government, is responsible and accountable for continuous improvement of learning outcomes. Na lahat ng mga unit, lahat ng mga departamento sa ating gobyerno ay responsable at accountable sa magiging learning outcomes ng ating mga kabataan. This is the very reason why we need to collaborate in each of these units. At the same time, we need partners to effectively facilitate the learning outcomes inside and outside the classroom setup. And with this School Governance Council, sabi nga dito sa DepEd Order 26, ang structure ni School Governance Council is both the feedback mechanism and good governance, structure of good governance. What are the functions of the School Governance Council? First, the SGC serves as a collective and consultative body. Hi, Dr. It means it is a body, it's a council, where all issues and concerns are being addressed. Say for instance, you have these issues regarding bullying, the rights of the children, improvement of the facility, and so on and so on. The School Governance Council can help the school itself and the administrator of the school to better facilitate this or to address these issues and concerns. And that is the reason why we are strictly implementing the School Governance Council for both elementary and secondary schools. Alright? Are we now ready for the Q&A?
You're done with the press con? Okay, thank you. So, I'm just wondering why you're standing.